Hello everyone. Today we'll start with unit number 3. The name of the topic is Harmony in the Family, Society and Nature. As already we have discussed about the harmony in family and society along with the nature. In this particular case, if you look at this harmony in the family, what is meant by harmony in the family? The basic unit of human interaction. So values in the human to human relationship, this is what you can say. This is the overall syllabus. In this particular unit we will see harmony in the family, the basic unit of human interaction, values in the human to human relationship, harmony in the society, vision for universal human order, harmony in the nature, realizing existence as coexistence at all levels. So these are the contents of unit number 3. Let us proceed for next slide. Now look at these pictures and what you can understand from this picture. So the thing is that you can see there are some elephants here, one is here, one is here, one is here. So these are the animals and they are in a group. Here you can see a very smiley faces, and look at this face, somewhat poor, and these are happy. So it's all about happiness. This is a group of people. So this is a group of people and this is a group of animal. So this is the family of elephant and it's a family of human being. Okay. So from this picture it is very clear that in one picture there is a family of elephant animal and in other picture there is a family of human being. So we come to the conclusion that from that picture we can say that it's all about the family. Now if you look at the family, all living objects especially human and animals are surrounded by the relations. Now you know that human being is also a social animal, and humans as well as animals, they are surrounded by the relations. So relations plays very important role uh, in case of animals and humans. The bonding between close group is sometimes known as family. So if you look at this from that picture, we have already discussed that the first picture was related with the family of elephant, and second picture was indicating the family of human beings. And you know that animals and human beings, they are used to live in the groups, and this bonding between the close groups is also sometimes called as family. Many times close groups forms, it takes the shape with a passage of time disappears. Means many times what happens, a very close group forms, it takes some shape, and with the time it may disappear. Such type of groups we cannot call it as a family. Such type of groups which disappears, we cannot call it as a family, or we cannot use the word as a family. So according to Murdoch, what is family? A family is a social group characterized by common residence, economics, cooperation and reproduction. Along with that, a family is a set of people living together, attach each other with blood relations. This is heterogeneous in nature and start with the marriage, followed by reproduction of the generation, supported by the economic and social bonds. So these are the various different various types of various definitions of the family. Okay, let's proceed for the next PPT. The next point is functions of a family. Family is a set of people. Family is a set of people, and everyone in family has a role to play. There are various responsibilities or functions of a family. If you look at the family, there are family members, and every member has a different type of responsibility or a role to play. Whereas the first part you can see here, first is extension of the family. First point we'll see as extension of the family. Second point, children care. Third point is economy. Fourth point is old age caring. Fifth point is physical protection, and sixth point is cultural and religious thing. So these are the various responsibilities of the family, where if you look at the first point, extension of the family, in this particular case we will see extend the family by the way of reproduction. Here we can extend the family by reproduction. The basic need of a healthy and healthy society to extend the family, turn support the society in many ways. So here the first point is you can see extension of the family. Second point is children care, where we have to focus on the healthy environments of the kid so that they can grow in a healthy way. We should provide them proper education so that they can survive in the world. हमें चिल्ड्रन का केयर लेना है, उनको हेल्दी एनवायरनमेंट प्रोवाइड करना है, उनको एजुकेशन पावर देन प्रॉपर एजुकेशन देना है सो दैट दे कैन सर्वाइव इन द वर्ल्ड. The next point is economy. So safety and fundamental need. This is a very basic need that economically we should balance between earning and spending. कितना हम कमाई करते हैं और कितना हम खर्चा करते हैं, इसमें हमें बैलेंस करना होगा. The next is old age caring. Whatever the old people we have in the family, so we have to take care of that particular people of old generation. Actually they need support and utmost caring. So this is very important point. We have to take care of them. The responsibility of their health, we have to take care of the responsibility of their health, food and shelter, and their other related activities. Physical protection, safeguard for each other by family members against any possible attack. A way Stitch family takes care of protection. So physical protection is also very important as a responsibility of family. Then cultural and religious things. So responsibility of the head is that family to teach morals, cultural and religious aspects. So this is all about functions of the family.